Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be unboxing a new limited edition. So this one is Lookfantastic and the INKEY List. So I haven't used any products from this brand before. It's quite a new brand to me. I haven't really heard of the brand until Lookfantastic done this little kind of collaboration. So I'm excited about the products inside. There is some interesting products in there that I haven't really used on my skin before. Like there's some retinol products and things like that in the box. So there are two types of this box available. There's one for oily skin and there's one for anti-aging. So I've got the anti-aging one because I don't have oily skin really, but obviously the products in each of the boxes are tailored towards that skin type. I'll leave the info down below in the description all about this box, you know. So it is I'm sure worth £65, but it's selling for about 25. I'm not too sure, I'll need to double check that, but I will leave the info to that down below. This is what the box looks like right here. So it says Lookfantastic and the INKEY List. So I'm excited about this because I haven't heard of the brand and some of the products look great. So inside we get the booklet. This booklet is all about INKEY List, tells you about the products, how they work and everything like that. That's a look at the products inside. So everything comes in individual boxes like that. We get 2, 4, 6 products inside. The first thing we get inside is the Oat Cleansing Balm, and that's what it looks like right there. So what I really like about their products actually is on like somewhere on the packaging, you know, it tells you what they're for. So this one here is highlighted for clean. So they've got clean, hydrate, treat, moisturise and SPF. So basically tells you what that product does. It's on all of their products, which I think is good. And yeah, this one is to clean and cleanse your skin basically. It says this luxurious cleansing balm gently dissolves makeup, hydrates and nourishes the skin, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. Combining oat kernel oil, a rich natural oat oil and soothing cordial oatmeal with ceramides, this cleanser deeply moisturises while supporting the skin's natural protective barrier. I don't know if it's closed. Yeah, it is actually closed right now, so I'm not going to be able to smell it. I don't want to open it right now. So I believe it'll have like that oat smell to it like it says here. It says to follow after this with a serum or a moisturiser. So let me just check what else we've got here. We have a moisturiser which looks really good. So that's the first thing we get. And then this is the moisturiser, so that's the box for it. And I actually really quite like the packaging for this moisturiser. It's like a pump one, so that's it there. And if we remove this lid, you can see here that it's like a little pump action. So we basically push down on this part here to let the cream come out. So again with this box is kind of like a skincare routine. So just like with the last limited edition, the Shiseido one, that was a, you know, a step 1 to 6 I think routine, where this is very, very similar. So basically this moisturiser is the last step. It has like a little guide here in the back to tell you that this one is to moisturise. So step 1 is to clean, which is the Oat Cleansing Balm. Step 2 is to hydrate. There is a hydrate product here actually, so I'm going to grab that next and then I'll tell you about that in a second. So the hydrate here is the hyaluronic acid. So this sounds really interesting. It's basically a little bottle like so, full of hyaluronic acid. It says that it's a powerful moisture binding super ingredient that works beneath the skin's surface to hold 1,000 times its weight in water. Hyaluronic acid works as a magnet for moisture, helping your cells retain as much as it is possible so that your skin feels and appears hydrated, plumped and healthy. So yeah, that is like step 2. It is like a kind of serum idea, which I'm very excited about. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand here. There's not really a scent to it, which is good, and it feels nice and lightweight, nice and watery, nice and hydrating, so I'm liking the feel of that. So yeah, that is step 2, and it shows you again in the back here to hydrate. The next step is to treat, and there's actually a couple of treat products in here to treat the skin. The first one is the retinol, which is this here, and I'm excited to try this out. I have never used a retinol product. I've probably used something with retinol included in it, like with other ingredients before, but I've never tried something that's just purely retinol. So again, this is like a little serum, and it says that this is your go-to ingredient for skin renewal. Derived from vitamin A, retinol is the gold standard for skin renewal, helping to target the signs of aging. This serum helps target the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles with less risk of irritation. It also boosts overall skin clarity and uneven tone for a brighter, more even complexion. Excited about that. And again, that is step 3, which is to treat. We also have a couple other products in the box which are to treat the skin also. We have the retinol eye cream, so this is purely for the eyes, of course, so it'll do a similar job to the retinol, which is for the face, and then this is for around the eyes. It says a nighttime eye cream, and it's formulated to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles just like the face retinol, while giving extra support to your most fragile skin. The retinol eye cream has been formulated with slow release vitamin A derived to improve and support natural collagen production, while being gentle to use around the eyes. Okay, so very similar to the face one, and yeah, I'm looking forward to giving these a go. And then the next product we get is a collagen booster. So I'm actually really excited about this as well, because I've used products with collagen in them. I haven't specifically used like a product that is just collagen, and it's a little bottle like so, and I want to put a little bit on my hand here. Yeah, so that's a nice kind of watery kind of serum idea as well. It says that this helps to plump the skin. So this is an overall face serum that helps to tighten and plump the skin while targeting fine lines and wrinkles. There's a lot of info here about what's inside it, and how it helps to plump and firm the skin. So excited about this. This and the retinol I'm excited to try, because I haven't tried those types of products like on their own before. Like I've probably had products with maybe retinol in it, and saying that, I just got retinol capsules from Elizabeth Arden. They have the ceramide retinol capsules from her in the last limited edition from Elizabeth Arden with Lookfantastic. I haven't tried them yet though, but I think I'll give these a go first. I'm just liking the sound of these ones. And then, like I said, the next thing to do is moisturise. So this is the moisturiser right here, and I'm liking the packaging for it because we pump down on it right there. And this is the peptide moisturiser. Did I mention that? I'm not sure. And it says that this is a rich daily moisturiser containing 2 peptides. And peptides are chains of amino acids which support proteins naturally found in the skin, helping to delay the signs of skin aging. Yeah, so I'm really liking the sound of this moisturiser. Should I pump it? Should I pump it? I'm trying to think when I want to use this, because right now I'm using the Shiseido serum in that right now. I'm using a lot of the products in that limited edition, so I don't want to open everything at one time, because you know I want to use these in like specific skincare routines. So once I finish, you know, the Shiseido one, I want to try like the INKEY List and all that and see which one I prefer the best. Yeah, so I'm not going to pump this now, but that is a moisturiser. I'm liking the packaging and everything for that, and excited to get into that. That is everything inside this Lookfantastic in the INKEY List limited edition box, and I am really looking forward to getting into this little routine, you know. I'm very excited about these 2 products specifically, the retinol and the collagen booster. Just really excited to try everything inside this limited edition box. And I like that it's a little routine, just kind of like the Shiseido one we got there. If you're interested in this box, now we'll leave a link to it down below in the description box for you. I think this one will sell out quite quick because it is quite a reasonable price. Limited edition. The price is £25, I think. link. I will double check, obviously if I've got that wrong I will correct myself down in the description box. But that's it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button just down below if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye!